So we're going to look at numbers in French today. So let's begin. 1 is un. 2 is deux. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. Okay, we don't have that X sound but S sound. Six. 7 is sept. The P is silent here, so sept. 8 is huit. So in French, if a word starts with H, we don't pronounce the H, okay? So huit. 9 is neuf. 10 is dix. Like you saw in 6, it's similar in 10. We have X, but we don't pronounce X. We pronounce just S. This. Okay? Now let's come to 11, which is onze, 12, douze, 13, treize. Okay? Treize. TR is not tre, but tre, treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. So here you'll find difference. In English, after 11, it's like 12. 11 or 12, we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like teen, everything's same. But here, after 16, 17 is dix-sept. That means 10 and 7. Okay, 10, 7. Dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. Now here, a little bit of change here. Since huit starts from vowel, as I said, H is not pronounced, so it's kind of vowel sound. So this becomes z, this, okay, dix-huit. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. 20 is vingt or vingt. Some people pronounce the T, some people don't. So I think you can choose either. Vingt. Okay. So here 21 is 21. Here you will clearly hear T sound because the vowel sound is here. Okay, A. So when something starts with the vowel after the first word, you need to use liaison. That is, the last letter of the word. 21. Okay, 21 is 21. 22 is 22. 23 is 23. 24 is 24. 25 is 25. You can say 20 or 20. Okay. 26 is 26. 27 is 27. 28 is 28 or 28. Okay, whatever you prefer. Here I think it's a little better to use T because it's huit. So 28. 29 is 29. And now we have 30, that is trente. If you have like E after the T sound, we usually pronounce the T sound, trente. 31 is 31. 31 is 31. 32 is 32. Okay, so as you can notice, 21, 31, and also 41, they have A. Okay, only 21, 31, and 41, not 22 or 32 or 33, just once. Okay, after 39 we will have 40. So from 32 you can count 33, 34, 36 by coming back here and you know, referring here, like 32. After 32 you will say 33, 34, 35. Okay, so 40 is 40. Okay, 41 is 41. Okay, we have a here. 42 is 42. And yeah, similarly 42, and then you'll have 43, 44. Okay, after 49 you will say 50, which is 50. Okay, 50. 51 is 51, 51. Okay, 52, 52, 52. So similarly 53, 54, 55. And after 59 you will say 60, which is 60. 60 is 60. 61 is 61. 62 is 62. Similarly, you'll go 63, 64. Okay, and after 69 you will say 70, which is 70. So here you can see it changes a little bit if you compare to English counting system. It's not directly 70, if you translate it literally. It's 60 and 10. You're basically saying 60, 10. Okay, but actual meaning is 70. So 60, this is 70. 71 is 71. Okay, 71. Now you can see it's not 71, it's 71. That means after 60, 10, it's not 60, 10, 1, it's 60, 11, and 60, 12, that way, okay? 71 is 71, 72 is 72. Similarly, we will go 73, 74, okay? That way, and then after 79, we'll have 80, which is 80, okay? So here, again, it changes. 4 is 4 and 20 is 20. So 4 times 20 is 80. So they don't say, or we don't say in French 80, but we say 4 20s. Okay? So 4 20s. 80 is 80. 81 is 81. 81. 82 is 82. Similarly, 83 will be 83. It will go similar until 89, and then we'll have 90, which is 90. 90. So that is 4 times 20 and 10. Okay, 4 times 20 is 80, and then plus 10 is 90. That's how is 90 formed in French. 90. 91 is 91. Okay. Similar, as you can see, similar thing here in 71. 71. Here also 91. It's not 91, it's 91. Okay. 92 is 92. 92. 93 will be 93. And 94 will be 94. 14. So it will continue until 99, which is 99. After that, we'll have 100, that is 100. So T is silent here, so it's 100. 100 is 100 in French. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.